SpringWell Whole House Water Filter System. Commonly, many cities' municipal water systems contain harmful contaminants. SpringWell CF-1 Whole House Water Filter System easily removes what you don't want in your water with the best whole house water filter for city water. Count on a SpringWell to remove up to 99.6% of all contaminants. What's the secret? SpringWell's unique catalytic coconut shell carbon provides superior water filtering. Plus, certified KDF media, high-purity copper-zinc granules, target the most harmful contaminants like chlorine, chloramine pesticides, herbicides, and more. Easy installation and low maintenance guarantee fresh, pure water flowing to every room in the house, apartment, or office in minutes. SpringWell offers 3 select models to choose from. The largest can handle up to 7 bathrooms. Boasting an impressive 20 gallons per minute, SpringWell crushes the competitor's flow rate by 13 gallons per minute. This review is for the SpringWell CF-1 model, which measures 9 inches wide and stands 48 inches high, 52 inches with head, and guarantees 1 million gallons over 10 years of fresh filtered water before the recommended media filtering system needs to be changed. Warranty: manufacturer's lifetime warranty against defects on all covered items. Pros: 4-stage proprietary vertical upflow media filtering system, flex bed, KDF bed, coconut shell carbon, 5 sediment filtration, impressive 20 gallons per minute, even in the largest homes, designed specifically to combat contaminants in city municipal water systems. Cons: have knowledge of plumbing system installation or hire a plumber. Considerable space limitations regarding installation, tank height. High cost investment.